Hello students and welcome to math class. Our topic for today is before, between and after. We have already learned the concept of before and between and after in the previous classes. So let us revise the same, okay? Now, to understand this, let us consider a number. Consider a number. Consider the number actually. 60. Okay. Now, as you all know, the number just before 60 is obtained by subtracting 1 from it. Means a number just before, I'm doing this first, okay? So a number just before 16 is 16 minus 1. How much it will be? You can do in a simple 16 minus 1 it will be 15, right? So here we write 15. Okay, this is it. I've said the number just before 16 is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. Subtracting 1. Subtracting means minus. Okay, 1 from the given number. So whatever number it is, 17, you just write 17 and minus 1. And this is how we get just before number. Okay. So, so the number 15 is just before number 16, right? Okay. Now, so let's take another example of 3 digits number. We have done of 2 digits. All right. Now we'll move on to 3 digit number. The number is 516. As I've already told you, to write just before the number, we need to subtract minus or minus 1 from the given numbers. So what we do is, this is like what comes before, no, 16, what comes before 516. So a number just before 516 equals to 516 minus 1. Okay. So take a rough. 516 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus, it will be 1 only. Then 5, it will remain 5. So how much it will be? 515. So the number which comes just before 516 is, here we can write here 515. Okay, this is just before the given numbers. Now, so the new thing is 151 is called the predecessor seal, and the previous number just before 16 we have got 15, isn't it? And just before 516 we got 515. Now these numbers are called predecessor. Okay? Which comes just before. They are called predecessor. Now, so move on to next. That is, let's try to find out after. Okay? For the same number. For the same number. Consider number 516. So number just after 516 will be. So the number just after 516 is obtained by adding 1. Adding means plus 1. Okay? So what we do here is 516 plus 1. How much it will be? 517. So the number just after 516 is 517. Okay? So this is just after 516. And we obtain the just after number we obtain by adding 1. By adding 1. So this number which comes just, let's take another example, 200. After 200 which number will come? 200 plus 1, 201. So these numbers are called successor. Successor. Okay? So the things you need to remember is, let me do so that it will be clear for you. Before, you can say predecessor, okay, then after is called successor. Alright, so before, predecessor, pre means before, okay, and after, successor. Okay, now the number we have, how much the number we got? Between 5, 1, 5, dash 517. We are doing for between. So the number was, this is before, isn't it? Because then this is after. Then in between, what was the number? 516. So this is what? In between. In between 515 and 517. The number comes 516. This is between. Okay? So let's recall once again. To find out before, we simply subtract 1 from the given number, and to find out after, we simply add for the given number. Please remember. So let's do some of the examples which are there in the book. The questions. The questions are, write the numbers which comes just before. Write the numbers come just before. Okay. So just before, we always subtract 1. Okay. The A number, dash and 180. So how will you write the answer? We minus 180 minus 1. How much it will be? Borrow 10 minus 1, 9. It will remain 7 and then 1. So how much it will be? 179. Alright? We subtract 1 to get the before number. Now, after, just after. Right, the number comes just after. Okay. So the same number, not the same number. 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Here. So what comes just after 4, 2, 3? We simply add 4, 2, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 and then 4. So how much it will be? 4 2 4. So the number which comes just after 4 2 3 is 4 2 4. Okay, we just add 1 to it. Okay, now there are some more questions or exercises given there in the book. We'll discuss that those questions through WhatsApp. Please send your WhatsApp. And this much for today. We'll meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you so much.